How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super cool 86 El Camino. It was an older gentleman's little hot rod to go to the shows and everything with. Super cool car. Paintwork on the car is just phenomenal. Slick, straight as an arrow. Got a nice aftermarket cowl hood on it. All the original grills, headlight bezels, bumper in excellent condition. He had the car out in Arizona, moved back here. You see this car is straight and flat down the sides. All the side trim and everything, excellent condition. Tires, wheels have all been replaced in the last year. Just a super nice car. Clean car. It's got like 33,000 miles on it. It's got the dual sport mirrors. It's got a nice little 406 aluminum intake and Edelbrock carb. The set of headers. Got a lot of, little chrome upgrades on the bracketry for the AC and everything, and a bunch of chrome bolts in the front. Just kind of made it nice. It's a nice little cruiser. 406 with a 700R overdrive trans. It's got posi rear. It's got aftermarket performance rear suspension, control arms and everything. The door panels are original and excellent condition. It's got the factory gauge package with tach and everything. Tilt wheel. Very, very nice. It's all the original interior in excellent condition. Got a rubber bed mat in it. It's all painted nice. It's not all beat up under the mat. We got a picture of that. I mean, this car is spotless. There's no rust in this car anywhere, top or bottom. Got duals. And the factory buckets is pretty slick. Got a Pioneer AM FM stereo with cassette or with CD with a flip out screen, navigation, Bluetooth. You can hook backup camera to it. Everything works on the car. Super cool car. Took Ernie a minute to remember where the wiper switch was. They're used to doing the older cars. Hey, that's just a cool car right there. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. You can visit us at 8180 South State Road, Goodrich, Michigan. You can also follow us on Facebook. Have a great day, folks.